Now, when you look at this formula on line 9, you understand that the first thing that JavaScript will do is multiply 2 times 3. That will be the priority. And so it'll be 1 plus 6 plus 4. And what we have on the second line is exactly the same thing, only we have included the parentheses. And we call this math clarity. It's making sure that we visually represent what we intend for the formula to do. Things can get very complicated, and it's always good to put parentheses, sometimes even when it's not necessary. You can see that line 11, I say I want to multiply 3, which is 1 plus 2, times 3 and add 4, versus line 12 is I want to multiply 2 times 7 and add 1. And line 13 is I want to multiply 3 times 7. So if I run this, you can see how this plays out. First is 11. Line 10 is 11. Line 11 is 13. Line 12 is 15. And line 13 is 21. My only point is use parentheses to visually communicate to you, the programmer, and to people who will be supporting your programs down the road, including yourself, that it is doing exactly what you intended for it to do. Sometimes you get into a big mess, and it's really important that you break things apart, sometimes even into separate lines, so it's very, very clear the steps that you are taking. You can turn very complicated formulas into a single line sometimes, and then look at it a day later and have no idea how you arrived at that formula. So math clarity is very important.